Hey there, YouTube friends and family and enemies, whoever you may be out there. This is the omnivorebladeworks Binturong. Binturong is the Philippine tiger dog, which can climb trees and is kind of like a forest creature. Omnivore, very nasty, very versatile predator. Anyway, this is my take on a Ginunting, which is a Filipino combat blade. A friend of mine, who's probably my best customer, has the most number of my blades over any individual, asked me to make a Ginunting quite a few years ago, and finally got around to it. And so it's kind of a Mongo, but you can see that it has a nice fuller. It's got a false edge, which is a 40-degree angle on that little clip point, or whatever you call it, so that could be sharpened for a back cut. And then the main flat grind is, I just did all this by hand on the flat grind, and the fuller was done with a little bit of assistance from a work rest. Originally I was going to CNC these on my CNC machine, but it's taken a crap for a while, so it's going to be a while before I make the production run. Anyway, the handmade model, I removed the lanyard hole, which would go here, which would enable you to attach a lanyard in a position that's more functional than back here, but this is still a decent place to put a lanyard. The guards, the tang is completely full right now. There's no lightning holes in it, and the weight of the steel is 30 ounces, and the balance point with the handle on it is right there. So it's just over 2 pounds with the handle on it, and the balance point is pretty ideal. So I may not actually have to remove any material from the grip, and might be a faster blade as a result. So this is 1095, and it'll get the signature bainite heat treat that I have done locally from Carolina. What is it? American Metal Treating down in Thomasville. And hopefully it'll come back straight and be able to maybe even see a parallel or concentric come online, because with austempered 1095 you get a differential hardening. So it's going to be hard about Rockwell 56 up to where my thumbnail is, and then it's going to be a little bit less hard at the ridge where the fuller meets the bevel, and then it's going to be hard again in the deep part of the bevel, and it'll be hard on the edge because it gets hard where it's thinner and can quench faster. So these are this one's spoken for, of course, but handmade ones I think need to price around $1,200, and then when I get the CNC done, if I do, then they might be a little bit less. We'll see. Still, there's a lot of time involved with hand sanding. It's probably 3 or 4 hours of hand sanding on this today. Anyway, Binturong Ginunting from Omnivore Bladeworks. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Might be a little heavy. There's also some blanks in 3V, and they're going to cost a fortune. So we'll do all the 1095 first, and then move on to the super steel. Alright, thanks for watching.